This is Motorola Edge 30 Ultra, and today we are going to show how you can switch the SIM card preferences on this device. First of all, you need to launch the settings. In here, enter the network and internet category. Then go for the calls and SMS section. SMS preference. Allow. And in here, just choose the manual, dual SIM usage mode. So, as for the voice call preference, choose what SIM card you would like to use. I'll go with the always ask option. The manual assign context step can be skipped. In here, choose the SIM card preference for the mobile data as well as for the SMS message. Then click on next. Choose whether you want to customize your SIM cards. And that will be it. So thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.